Hi. Before we dive in, a quick shout out to the Quixel Megascans and Polyhaven teams for supporting me and letting me use the materials you'll see in this video. A huge thanks to both teams. So, let's dive into the add-on and talk a bit about those texture folders we all have. You spend years grabbing beautiful PBR packs, and then they just sit there. Nested folders, weird names, random texture files everywhere. Every time you start a new project, you go hunting, wire a base color, a roughness, a normal map by hand, and you promise yourself you'll organize it later, which, let's be honest, almost never happens, right? I built Ultimate Asset Organizer materials to address exactly this. It takes those loose PBR folders and turns them into a real material library inside Blender's asset browser. So here's what it does. First, you point it at your texture folder. Instead of pushing full resolution textures through every preview render, the add-on creates temporary proxy maps at the size you choose. Just enough to get a clean thumbnail without wasting memory on pixels you'll never see. Second, it scans the subfolders, auto-builds principled materials, and looks for all the usual suspects: base color, roughness, metallic, normal, height, ambient occlusion, even packed ORM maps and UDIM sets when they're there. With one click, it tags everything as assets, so your materials finally show up in the asset browser, ready to drag into any scene. And when it's time to generate thumbnails, it does it in a way that's actually friendly to your computer, as the add-on creates temporary proxy textures. To generate the thumbnails we all need, it doesn't render the full resolution textures. It works with a compressed proxy version, and then automatically cleans things up afterward. All your previews follow a consistent rendering setup, so your library always looks organized. The end result is simple. All those textures you've collected through time become a library you can actually use, instead of a folder you keep scrolling past. If that sounds like something your Blender workflow could use, check out Ultimate Asset Organizer materials. Turn your texture chaos into a material library you will want to reach for on every project. Thanks for your time.